You can watch my quick word of the day videos to increase vocabulary and improve pronunciation. My name is Mary and I am from Canada. The two words of the day are drop and spill. Both words involve the movement of objects or substances. Drop is more about the act of something falling. She dropped her phone on the floor, while spill is about the overflow and spreading of a substance, typically a liquid. He spilled his coffee on the table. If you want to do the practice exercises, please go on to the next slide. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Bye now.